guys, good day. Welcome back to Diecast Domination. This is Dev coming to you. I hope you guys are enjoying your amazing, lovely new year and this beautiful day. Thank you so much for tuning in my channel. Now, in today's video, I have something exciting to share with you guys, especially the diorama enthusiasts. Now, I often get questions regarding the accessories on my layout. Some of these accessories are made from many different brands, and these are sometimes hard to find. Well, let me show you a set from GreenLight. This is a 164 shop tool accessories set, and this one is branded by Pennzoil. So it is yellow and black, intricately detailed. This miniature box has 6 different parts. So you guys are gonna see 6 different shop tool accessories that will enhance your diorama experience. So without further ado, let's get rolling. But whoa. Let's pause for a second, guys. Please hit that thumbs up. It gives me more inspiration. And also hit that bell icon. Subscribe to my channel if you're new, because this is Diecast Domination. Boom! That's our Pennzoil set, guys. Have a look at the intricately detailed parts one by one. Now, this is made and manufactured by GreenLight Collectibles. This one is a limited edition, and also they make very many different series. What this includes? Well, this is with an oil drum, work light, tool cart, a creeper, jack, and a tool cabinet. So here's the first piece, and this is a creeper, something that you would use to get underneath your car when it is on the jack. So very nicely detailed, and absolutely, guys, the Pennzoil logo there shines bright right at you. So it looks very nice and very detailed. The second accessory we have is the oil drum. This one actually replicates the authentic Pennzoil oil drum that they manufacture and send out to other companies and dealers. So this is very replicable, and it is going to enhance your details. Up next, we have the Pennzoil tool cabinet. Now, this is with a door handle. You can see the drawers are painted, so the top are painted black to give it a different replication. And also on the top, you see the Pennzoil logo. So this is a very nice looking tool cabinet. Also has the black bottom pillars. Number 4, we have a little tool cart. Now, this is very replicable, guys. Have a look. They have little wheels on the bottom, and also on top they have the Pennzoil logo with the yellow stripes going in with the black pillars. Very authentic to the Pennzoil brand. Looks very nicely detailed. Part number 5, we have a jack. Now this one, very intricately detailed. It is a 3D printed, I believe, but made from resin. So these are not metal. However, the details are just popping, and the Pennzoil logo on every tool just makes it even more authentic. And the last one here, we have the work lights, one of my favorites when it comes to attention to detail. Have a look at the lights itself. It does replicate the glass in the front and also the tripod that it sits on. It does look very detailed. So these were the 6 parts. Now time to replicate the scene from the Pennzoil garage.